Hi, I'm Jeremy here on behalf of ExpertVillage. I'm going to teach you how to make a sumo wrestler. The reason I'm teaching the sumo wrestler is one of the ones that actually uses the tulip twist, and it's one of my personal favorite designs that I've come up with. Now the first thing, I'm going to leave about a good 3 inches left on the end of the balloon. We're going to make his legs first. Now, sumo wrestlers are not known for being skinny. We just made a 1.5 inch bubble, a bear ear. We're going to make another 1.5 inch bubble. A bear ear, another 1.5 inch bubble, bear ear, a 1.5 inch bubble, better there than another 1.5 inch bubble, and we're going to start going back up against itself. Make the legs a little bit thicker. To twist it in itself, try and keep the bubbles about the same size each time. And once again, you just need to tie that last balloon in. Now we are missing a foot there. We're going to end up breaking another part and adding the foot on. We'll go ahead and we'll teach you that next time. We'll get the body on. We'll teach you how to get the foot on next time.